3 minus 3 times 3 over 3. What is it equal to? A, we have 0, B, 1, C, -2, and D, 2. So comment, what do you think the right answer is? If you work it out, what is the right answer? Comment it down below in the comment section before we proceed. Okay, so let's continue. So we have this, if we have 3 minus 3 times 3 over 3, this is the same as, so 3 minus 3 is 0. So we shall have 0 times 3 over 3, which is 0 times 3 is 0 over 3, which is equals to 0. Many of you think this is right. Actually, this is wrong. Why? Because you've not followed the order of operations, that is PEMDAS or PEDMAS. So we have PEMDAS, where you have to work from left to right. So we have 3 minus 3 times 3 over 3. So according to PEMDAS, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we have multiplication and division. And here in the upper, so we've carried out the division is whole. So you assume you've carried out the division first. Now we come to multiplication here. So we have to work out this first. So we shall have 3 minus 3 times 3 is 9. So over 3, which will be equals to 3 minus 9 is minus 6 over 3, which is equals to, this goes into this twice, so we shall have -2. And therefore, C was the right answer with -2. Let's look at this other one. 1 plus 2 is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is equals to 13. 3 plus 4 is equals to 25. So what is 4 plus 5 equals to, according to this pattern? If you follow the pattern, what do you think 4 plus 5 is equals to? So before we proceed, kindly let us know what you think the answer is in the comment section. Comment your answer before we proceed. Okay, so assuming you've commented your answer, we have 1 plus 2 here. We know that 1 plus 2 is 3. It's not 5. Here we have 5. So what shall we do? How can we manipulate these figures so that we get 5 here? Actually, if you square the 1 and also square the 2, what do you get? 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 1 plus 4, this gives us 5. So yeah, this comes back to our what we're given, which is 5. Let's see for the next one if it also follows the same rule. 2, if you square 2 and also square 3, what do you get? So 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 3 squared, 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Still, it goes back to what we were given. So it seems like we are following the right track. Let's see the third one. If we follow the same kind of procedure, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared. So 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. Is 16 plus 9 equals to 25? True, it is equals to 25. That means our pattern is correct. So we are going to use the same to find the next value here. So we shall have 4 squared plus 5 squared, which is equals to, so 4 times 4 is 16 plus 5 times 5, which is 25. And 25 plus 16 is equals to 41. Therefore, our answer of 4 plus 5 is equals to, this is 41, not 4. So this is 41. And that's our next value, in the series here. If you have this diagram here, what value do you think comes here? If you look at it, if you study it, what value do you think comes here? Let us know by commenting in the comment section. Pause the video and work it out and let us know what your answer was in the comment section. Okay, so assuming you've commented your answer, let's continue. So if you look at the diagram closely, you realize that when you multiply 5 times 8 is equals to 40. Also, 8 times 3 is equals to 24. Also, 5 times 6 is equals to this value here, 30. So you multiply the outside values to get the inside value. So this times this is 40, this times this is 30, 8 times 3 is 24. That means if you multiply this value times this value, we should be able to get this value. So 6 times 3 is equals to the question mark, which is equals to, so 6 times 3 is 18. And therefore, this value is 18. Now let's look at another one. Looking at this diagram here, if you study it well, here you have 11, 7, 8, 4, 13, 7, 17, 16. So what do you think this value is equals to? Kindly pause the video and comment your answer in the comment section down below before you proceed, so that you compare and see if your mind is sharp enough. So supposing you've commented, thank you for those who have commented. Now let's continue. If you look at this figure and study it very well, you realize that in this puzzle, the sum of two numbers in the opposite portions are the same. For example, if you add 11 plus the alternate is this, if you add 11 plus 13, you get 24. Also, if you add, this is alternate with this, so if you add 7 plus 17, this is equals to 24 as well. Also, this is alternate with this, so if you add 8 plus 16, this is equals to 24. Also, if you add, so we've gotten that. So that implies that 4 plus this value, which we don't know, should be equals to 24. Should be equals to 24. So when we take the 4 this side, this will be 24 minus 4. So the question mark is equals to 20. And therefore, this value here is 20. Because if you add 20 and 4, it gives us 24, just like the other alternate values that we added. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, it's completely free. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment your answer, or comment your answers, the different answers that you got, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.